Hello everyone. Welcome to English Club. If you learn these 50 English words, your English will improve very fast. So watch this video until the end. Achieve, adapt, agree, allow, avoid, believe, choose, communicate, compare, complain, decide, depend, develop, explain, express, focus, forget, guess, handle, help, improve, increase, learn, manage, mention, need, notice, offer, organize, plan, prefer, prepare, promise, protect, provide, realize, receive, recommend, remember, respect, respond, return, save, share, support, try, understand, use, wait, work. Now repeat after me. Achieve, adapt, agree, allow, avoid, believe, choose, communicate, compare, complain, decide, depend, develop, explain, express, focus, forget, guess, handle, help, improve, increase, learn, manage, mention, need, notice, offer, organize, plan, prefer, prepare, promise, protect, provide, realize, receive, recommend, remember, respect, respond, return, save, share, support, try, understand, use, wait, work. Great job. If you practice these words daily, you can speak English easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next lesson.